Smooth camera motion is essential for professional-looking video and film productions. With the Digital Juice Orbit Dolly, getting both straight and arc dolly movements is a breeze. On smooth surfaces, the standard Orbit Dolly can track in straight line or in an arced path. Attach a pneumatic wheel set and you can do the same on rough terrain. In tabletop mode, you can get those shots in tight areas where rock-steady motion is needed. All of these can be achieved with minimal setup and without tools.
Hi, my name is Dana Chandra with Digital Juice, and I'm excited to bring you the newest breakthrough in camera tracking solutions, the Digital Juice Orbit Dolly Flex Track and Wheel System. Now, in addition to straight line and arc tracking shots, the Flex Track rail system gives you the ability to track around the corner, make complex S-curve moves, and any other multi-directional move you can imagine.
The Digital Juice Flex Track wheel hardware is precision CNC milled from high-grade 6000 series aluminum and finished with a textured powder coat to withstand wear and tear for years to come. The durable rubber track has a 25mm diameter, giving you maximum flexibility and strength while still being lightweight. Each kit includes a 50-foot section of track, allowing for 20 feet of dolly travel. An additional 50-foot section can be purchased for longer runs. The Flex Track wheel kit consists of an advanced pivot system that incorporates 8 sealed steel ball bearings. 2 of the wheel trucks have a center pivot point and a third has a 3-inch floating pivot arm. This allows not only for tracking around corners but also smooths out small bends where the tracks aren't quite parallel. Also included is a reinforced nylon case that keeps the system together and makes transporting and storing a snap. We've made it simple and convenient to bring your Flex Track system with you on location by providing a toolless assembly. Simply remove the existing wheels from the Orbit Dolly, then use the provided tie down to secure the Flex Track pivot wheels to the chassis of the Orbit Dolly. Now all you have to do is lay down the track and start shooting. With the Digital Juice Orbit Dolly and Flex Track system, virtually any kind of dolly shot becomes a reality. You can track around a corner or through a doorway for one shot. Then within minutes you can reconfigure the tracks for an S-curve, a shot that would be cumbersome and nearly impossible with a normal track and dolly. Then reconfigure again to a straight track to finish.
So, if you want to unlock the full potential of your Orbit Dolly and give yourself the ability to make complex, high production value shots that were previously unattainable, you need the Digital Juice Orbit Dolly Flex Track wheel system. For Digital Juice, I'm Dana Chandra. Thanks for watching.